Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can mirror or flip a video in Canva. So it is essentially changing left to right or top to bottom or something like that. And the process is actually very easy. It is just like flipping a picture. The process is the same and the result is immediate. So the first thing that you can do is you have to select the video that you want to flip, and after that you will see this top menu. You want to go to the menu that says flip, and you can select either flip horizontally or vertically. For example, if I turn the video to be horizontal, you'll see that this woman used to be running to the right direction, but now it's turning left, and she's running or walking to the left direction. So that's the horizontal flip. The vertical flip, on the other hand, will change everything. It's top to bottom. So this is probably useful if you have a GoPro footage that you mount in a different orientation and then you want to flip it back, then you can use this technique. So anyway, that's exactly how you can flip or mirror a video in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.